If you've been seeing ads for the Vocal Image app in 2026, you're not alone. The app has become very popular online, especially among people who want to improve their voice, communication skills, or confidence when speaking. But that leads to a bigger question. Do we actually need an app like Vocal Image today, or is it just another self-improvement subscription? Let's take a closer look. First, the Vocal Image app is essentially a voice training and communication improvement platform. It offers exercises designed to help users improve things like speaking clarity, tone, breathing, confidence, and even vocal strength. Instead of traditional voice coaching with a teacher, the app guides you through short daily exercises that train your voice. Step by step, most of the training focuses on areas such as breathing techniques, pitch control, pronunciation, and vocal projection. The idea is that by practicing these exercises regularly, you can develop a stronger and more confident speaking voice. Many users treat it almost like a daily workout for your voice. One of the main reasons the app has become popular is its structured training approach. When you start using the app, it usually asks you to record your voice and then builds a training program based on your speaking style. From there, you complete short daily sessions that focus on improving different vocal skills. According to user feedback, many people say the app has helped them improve confidence when speaking, especially during presentations, meetings, or public speaking. Some users also mention improvements in vocal clarity and tone after practicing the exercises regularly. The app also includes things like breathing exercises, speech practice, and communication training, which can be helpful for people who feel nervous speaking in public or who want to sound more confident in professional situations. However, the app is not perfect, and there are some concerns you should know about. One issue that appears frequently in reviews is subscription confusion and billing complaints. Some users say they signed up for a free trial but were later charged automatically for a subscription they didn't realize had started. Other users say that while the exercises are helpful, the app sometimes gives limited feedback about how to actually improve mistakes, which can make the training feel less useful than working with a real voice coach. In online communities, people also debate whether AI voice training apps can really replace professional coaching. Some users say the app is useful for daily practice, but still recommend working with a real vocal coach if you want serious improvement. So, do we really need the Vocal Image app in 2026? The honest answer is, it depends on your goals. If you want a simple way to practice speaking exercises, build confidence, and train your voice a few minutes a day, an app like Vocal Image can be a useful tool. But if you're looking for serious vocal training like professional singing, acting, or advanced speech coaching, an app alone probably won't replace a real instructor. In other words, Vocal Image works best as a practice tool, not a complete solution. Overall, the app isn't necessarily revolutionary, but it can be helpful for people who want to improve their communication skills in a structured way. Just make sure you understand the subscription terms before signing up. And now I'm curious, would you actually use an app to train your voice, or would you rather learn those skills from a real coach?